Some little snowflakes started yelling in the back. They started crying over my friend's cap. One old tranny said, "Hey, racist, why don't you just get on out the door?" My friend just pulled his cap down because they couldn't be ignored. One husky butch said, "I ripped that MAGA cap right off your head." And this is what my friend said: "You're riding a black tornado across the western sky. Rub it on blue northern and milk it till it's dry. Go down the Mississippi, it's yours down flat. Long before you take my MAGA cap." Now, friend, this old cap is better left on my head. You see what it stands for. Many a man died fighting for this sacred land. My nephew, he gave his all, even for the likes of you, when he died alone in Afghanistan. Now, our founding fathers came here, all for what this cap means. And we ain't gonna let some penny waste like you destroy the American dream. Now, there's millions of patriots with hearts full of pride like me, still brave enough to keep this place the land of the free.
Know it.
You'll ride a black tornado across the western sky. Rub it on blue northern and milk it till it's dry. We'll dog the Mississippi, and it's yours down flat. Long before you take my MAGA cap. Now, if you're condoning killing babies ain't considered hate, then we don't understand each other at all, so you best just leave me be. But if you still want to take my cap, man, woman, whatever you are, my back's up against the wall. But if you touch my cap, you're gonna have to fight us all. Right then I saw a little sadness in that queer's eyes, and it turned back to the others and they all just kind of pressed on outside. But my friend turned back around. I noticed his old MAGA cap brim. It was turned up in a big old Donald grin.
Give me a second.